How to allow autofill passwords on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can allow autofill passwords on iPhone. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your settings app. Now first click on settings and then scroll down and search for the option of passwords. Now here is the option of passwords. It has an icon of a key. So just click on it. And now here you first have to verify using a Touch ID. After that, you can either add a new passwords by clicking on the plus icon on the top right or just click on autofill passwords. Now here, if this toggle button is off, the iPhone will not be able to autofill passwords because it does not have permission. If you click on this toggle button, and then autofill passwords will be on, and after that iPhone will automatically fill the passwords. So that is how you can enable autofill passwords on your iPhone. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.